Hello all. Here I Komal Sharma welcomes you all at our channel Gargi Classes. So as we have been providing the lectures which are all relevant to competitive exams and which are relevant to the particular subjects too. So here we have and we are the organization who are completely indulged in making boats to help in crossing the vast ocean of competition. For all those who are seeking to go on a voyage for competitive exams. We are here for the aspirants of competitive examinees only. So as you all know that what kind of courses and upon which subjects particularly we have been providing, still I'm gonna discuss with you all about our subjects or the particularly exams till now upon which we have been delivering the lectures. So first of all, it's geography for GS paper 1 and geography optional for UPSC mains. So this particular lecture is being given into both the languages in Hindi and English too, and you can get the notes too in both the languages. Next is the world geography for RAS, IAS, state, PSC examinations. भारतीय राज व्यवस्था जो कि हिंदी में लेक्चर जितने भी हैं इसके वो सारे हिंदी में उपलब्ध हैं फॉर IAS, RAS, नेट JRF एंड प्री PhD. इंडियन जियोग्राफी भारत का भूगोल is in both the languages Hindi and English for RAS, RPSC, IAS, UPSC. English literature's lecturers for UPSC mains, which is an optional subject into this particular stream. We have been providing the best lectures over here. World geography for RAS, read, lecturer, etc. for other examinations too in Hindi and English, both the languages. Rajasthan Bhugol particularly Hindi में present है for RAS, Rajasthan Police, Patwari and read. Rajasthan geography, which is given into particularly in English language for RAS, read and lecturers too for the exams which are relevant to lectureship. All right. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा टॉपिक है जिस पे हम पर्टिकुलर वीडियोस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं वो है सामान्य विज्ञान एवं तकनीकी, जो कि हिंदी में पर्टिकुलर लेक्चर्स हैं फॉर RAS एंड अदर एग्जामिनेशंस. इंग्लिश लिटरेचर फॉर नेट JRF, राजनीति विज्ञान फॉर नेट JRF, बहुत ही बढ़िया लेक्चर्स अवेलेबल हैं इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जो कि रीड के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है फॉर लेवल फर्स्ट एंड लेवल सेकेंड in both the language first and language second. So this particular stream is we have been delivering the lectures in both the languages in Hindi and English, try to convey in Hindi too. Sanskrit for read level first and level second for teachers first grade and second grade in Hindi transformation only. Next, we have been providing the lectures which are required for the prelim exams of UPSC and RPSC. Current affairs in Hindi language में available हैं, weekly भी available हैं by twice a day, मतलब हफ्ते में दो दिन के भी हैं, and by the thrice day of the week. Current affairs का quick revision भी weekly हम लोग avail करा रहे हैं. And the quizzes are also we have been availing for all those aspirants of competitive exams, and we have been discussing all about the new updates regarding the competitive examinations. Along with all these, we have been also availing the accountancy for particularly class 11th and English medium only. So this is all about our courses about which we have been providing the lectures over our channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe, do like our channel, and do like this video particularly if you think this videos and whatever courses I have been telling you till now are worthy enough for you all. And instead of commenting below, you can email us your queries upon the email ID gargiclasses.edu@gmail.com. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.